Hello, friends and followers. Here's the FT-757GX. I put the aluminum cover back onto the RF deck. I'm not sure if I've lost screws. It takes some beveled screws here, countersunk screws. I'm not sure if these were in here to begin with from the other owner. I don't know. Can't find too many of those beveled screws, so I'm just going to put it together like this and see how it goes. It's important to get these wires all arranged and not crimped. There's a little wire gatherer thing down here that you want to make sure when you take the final board off, you want to get that little thing to loop the wires through this channel here. And just make sure nothing's tense. The speaker gets connected when you fold this over. Connect the speaker there, and I think that'll do it. So, see if this radio will work. I bought a microphone for it, which cost 50 bucks. I hope that works on the radio. It had supposedly the Yaesu plug on it, so try it out. All right, that's about it. Gonna try and put it back together now. Thanks for watching.